In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Analytics 4 on Shopify in just 5 minutes. Google Analytics 4, or GA4 for short, represents the latest evolution in Google's analytics offerings, providing more insights into your website's visitors and their behavior. Pairing GA4 with your Shopify store can help you understand your customers better and make informed decisions to grow your business. So let's get started. First, you want to navigate to Shopify's official website. If you're already logged out, you'll land on the login page, which is exactly where you need to be. If not, just log out and start there. Click the login button to proceed. The interface is user-friendly, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding your way around. Next up, you'll be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Shopify account. Make sure it's the correct email that you have access to and have used to register your Shopify store. This step is essential to ensure that all updates and information related to your store and analytics settings are correctly linked to your account. After entering your email, you'll move on to the next step, which involves entering your password. Be sure to input the correct password associated with your Shopify account. If you've forgotten it, you can always reset it, but for this process, having your password ready is crucial. Hit the login button after entering your credentials to access your Shopify admin dashboard. Once inside your Shopify admin dashboard, look for the online store option. This section is where you manage everything related to your store's appearance, including themes, blog posts, pages, and navigation. However, for now, we're focusing solely on connecting Google Analytics, so let's keep moving forward. After clicking on Online Store, navigate to the Preferences section. This part of Shopify's dashboard is where you can manage essential settings, including your store's title and meta description, social sharing image, and more importantly for our purposes, the Google Analytics account. In the Preferences section, you will see an option to set up Google. This is your gateway to integrating Google Analytics with your Shopify store. Click on Set up Google to advance to the next step. This process has been streamlined by Shopify to make it as simple as possible. Finally, you will see an option to connect your Google Analytics account. By clicking on Connect, Shopify will guide you through the necessary steps to link your GA4 account directly to your Shopify store. This integration is seamless and doesn't require any technical knowledge. Just follow the prompts and you'll have GA4 up and running on your Shopify store in no time. During this process, you may be asked to log into your Google account, especially if you're not already logged in. Ensure that you're logging into the Google account where your Google Analytics 4 property resides or where you intend to create a new one. This step is crucial for a successful integration. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully connected Google Analytics 4 to your Shopify store. This integration will provide you invaluable insights into your store's traffic, user behavior, and overall performance. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the GA4 dashboard, exploring the various reports and metrics available. Understanding these analytics can help you make data-driven decisions to optimize your store, improve customer experience, and ultimately increase your sales. Remember, the world of e-commerce is always evolving, so staying informed and utilizing powerful tools like Google Analytics 4 will keep you ahead of the curve. If you have any questions or need further assistance, both Google and Shopify offer comprehensive support and resources. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on setting up Google Analytics 4 on your Shopify store. We hope this video has been helpful and encourages you to dive deeper into the analytics to grow your business. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful guides and tips. Happy selling!